this is restroom.
It's not restroom, it's mushroom.
Restroom.
Yes, lovely people. So today I want to prepare Ezugo and Anabe's favorite soup, which is Ladyfinger soup, okra soup, popularly known as okra in all over Africa. So I got this okra from a conserve, a kind of shop, grocery shop. So I'll go ahead to start slicing it into smaller portion, because though I will not be using knife to cut everything, I'll also use this hand grater to grate the rest. So I'll cut everything into smaller portion of the to my satisfaction. Then I'll have a bowl of onions. I will also slice on top. Yes, I'm just cooking this soup sharply, no long process. I don't want to fry, so I'll slice my onions on top. Then the next thing to do is to I have my onion, my crayfish already picked. I blended it into powder paste because of kids. Though normally I like biting my onions. I have my mushroom. Yeah, this mushroom, I don't know the way they pump this this plastic bag. I have to use knife to open it so I can wash it properly before using. So I have this mushroom is kind of plenty, because Ezugo prefer mushroom than meat. Yes, he like the mushroom than meat. Yes, I pump it again. I'm going to wash it very well, making sure that there is nothing like sand. This mushroom is kind of soft, unlike the one my mommy always use in Nigeria. Nigeria one is very strong. You can even be eating it like chewing-gum. But this one is so soft and big and kind of wide. So I'm not going to use my hand to um slice it into small portion. No, I will just put it this way because I don't want it to scatter inside my soup, because this is what Ezugo like in okra soup. So I'll just put a little salt and wash it for the second time. Yes, because you never can tell how they plug it from the farm or where they planted this. You don't know whether on a sucker where they go plant them. So I'll just wash it again thoroughly. I'm not going to divide it. You can see how wide it is. I'm going to put it that way because I don't want it to scatter in the soup. When I use my hand to divide it, now you start looking for it when you finish cooking, because it will melt, because this mushroom is very soft, very. So when I say soft, it's soft. So I'm going to wash it and transfer it into a filter so the water will remove thoroughly. Then the next thing to do, yes, this is my meat stock. I already cook my meat, all the meat I need, both the fish. So I'll just put my pepper and oil inside the meat water, the water I used to prepare, okay, the water that comes out from the meat I'm using. Then I'll go ahead and add the blended crayfish. I include it inside this meat stock, and the oil and pepper included, and I'll stir it properly well, making sure there is no lumps. Then I'll make sure there is no lumps. I slice. Then the next thing to go in is our almighty okra and the onions I slice on top. Then now at this junction I want to reduce the temperature of my fire. I don't want it to be so soft. The okra need to still come out fresh. Then I'll go ahead to include my stock, my fish, my pomo, all the things I cook already. I've already pre-cooked them separately, so I just go ahead to pour it. Then as you can see, our soup is ready. You have stir. You make sure you stir gently so your fish will not scatter. I gently stir. The next thing I'll put is the mushroom. Yes, this is mushroom Ladyfinger soup. Hey, our soup got it. Yes, if you like, or if you are close to me, I have enough. You can come bring your plate. Let me put some Ladyfinger soup for you and mushroom. So we'll make sure that we stir it. So you can see this pot. It's not that this pot is small, just that this mushroom, I didn't divide this small, so it's as if it's now plenty. When the thing is soft, now you could see everything will just press down. Yes, so I will stir properly and just bring it down. Our soup is ready, as in ready. Over here you go with a feregi. Come with your plate, come with your spoon, come with your fufu, your suji, your gari. Let's enjoy this together. Ta-da!